Welcome back. On to some more breaking inputs we're picking up. 2 days after former TMC leader turned BJP Neta Babu Master was attacked, 2 people have now been arrested by Bengal police in connection with the attack on the BJP leader. This, remember, took place on 13th night, and both arrests have been made now from Minaka area of North 24 Paraganas district. Quickly bringing in my colleague Anuj also, who's joining us with more details on the same. Anuj, political violence certainly on the rise as we're approaching Bengal elections. This particular attack certainly has raised eyebrows also because we're looking at a leader who was a former TMC leader, switched over to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Take us through the latest arrests that have been made.
Well, what we have been told, the arrest has been made, and this is in connection with the attack which happened on the Bharatiya Janata Party leader. And this attack, let me tell you, happened on 13th when he was coming back from Kolkata after attending a meeting in Kolkata. That was a Bharatiya Janata Party scheduled meeting, and when they were returning back, what we have been told that this was around 10 to 12 people who attacked the car, and the Neta and the driver is being injured, and they are in hospital in Kolkata. So when we are talking about the poll-bound state of West Bengal, then this is again and again which could be clearly seen the violence. Let me remind you that this is none other but the Dinesh Trivedi left the Rajya Sabha membership quoting the same word that can't tolerate the kind of violence that could be clearly seen in the state of West Bengal on the ground level. And that's something what we are understanding after rallies, the violence could be very much witnessed on the ground level, because this is never new, whether being it the attack on Bharatiya Janata Party National President Jagat Prakash Nadda in Kolkata, or whether being it the attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders, whether after the Birbhum rally or after the Midnapur rally. So that's something what we are seeing again and again, and this is now what we have been told. The arrest has been made in the particular case, and there were around 10 to 12 people, but the 2 people has been arrested as of till now. There is to wait and watch what exactly will be coming out with the investigation. But yes, Bharatiya Janata Party leader is seriously injured, and they along with the driver, he is in hospital at this point in time. Yes.
All right, 2 arrests have been made on the attack that took place on BJP leader Babu Master. Anuj sharing all those details. Thank you, Anuj. For the moment, we move on.